side of a busy road, how I'm crawling for a worthy goal.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday when you're watching this, but it is Saturday morning here. So I just got a little coffee downstairs. I went to the talks this morning. I just came back up to my room to chat with you guys and to recharge. The coffee that I just got, that you just saw me get out of that little machine, is not very good. It has that like machine coffee taste. I haven't tried the Nespresso yet, and I should try that, but I think I'm gonna make myself, as soon as I finish this, I think I'm gonna make myself a four siggy coffee. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have that, but I am really having a good time at this meeting. I had such a nice time last night at the dinner. I thought there were going to be talks at the dinner, but there weren't. It was just like, sitting and talking to people at tables. And, I was able to reconnect with some people that I haven't seen in a long time. So I really enjoyed that. It's always fun telling people about my YouTube journey. They always seem excited to hear about that. I'm always a little nervous as to, like, how it's going to be received, but I sort of don't care, and people seem to really think it's cool. So yeah, I'm having a really good time, and I slept like a rock in that bed. It's very comfortable. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, check out these here. We're doing a little awkward turn around here. I have these cute little slippers that in the hotel. I mean, they're paper thin, but that is so nice because I hate walking around barefoot. I refuse to walk barefoot in the hotel, no matter how clean they are. And but I don't necessarily want to walk with my socks either. It's still dirty, so I kind of like that. It's nice. And we got these cute swag bags. I actually like this bag a lot. So it says Women's Derm Society. I love the logo of the Women's Derm Society, that rose. It it kind of represents strength and beauty. So I like that. Women's Derm Society, I've been a member for years. And, it's called the Women's Derm Society. It supports women in medicine, but men are in the membership as well. So there are men here too, which I think is really a cool thing about the organization, is that both men and women turn out to talk about how women's role in medicine has, changed over the years for the better, and how we can continue to work together to strengthen women, build women up. It's really great talks. There's a great talk on negotiating. It was it would be applicable to anybody. It's not just physicians. So it was so good. And we also had a talk on resiliency, and so I'm really having a good time. And it's nice to meet people. There are people who have traveled here from other states. It's nice to meet women who are in practice in other states. So I've enjoyed that. And I also have met a lot of people in industry that are really nice. And I met with a woman last night who was really nice, that I sat with at dinner, who works for a magazine. So it was really cool. And I'm really having a good time. And it's very relaxing here. Have I said I'm having a good time? But yeah. One thing I do not care for, I mentioned this yesterday, is that L'Occitane shampoo. It's like, can you see the static going on here? I mean, it's a combination of the heater in the room and that shampoo. But yeah, that. And another thing I want to point out to you guys, last night I came back, I took a shower, and I put on the CeraVe, hyaluronic acid serum. I put that on as a moisturizer. And when I got home last night, when I got back to the room last night, it was like peeling off in sheets. It looked like I was going through the retinization period. I was like, am I having a bad reaction to something? But it was just the moisturizer was like peeling off. That's awful. That's not a good product. But I had with me the CeraVe healing ointment in my pocket, a little mini sample that I carry around with me because my lips have been, it's really dry here. So I like to keep on top of that so that my lips don't get dried out. And the woman sitting next to me, the one who works for that magazine, she was like, "Oh, I can tell you're a dermatologist because you have CeraVe. My dermatologist recommended that I use CeraVe, and I was thinking about getting that one." I was like, "Oh yeah, I never leave home without it." But so yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna make myself another cup of coffee. I'm gonna answer some of your comments, and then I'm gonna go back down to the talks. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog today, in all honesty, but like yesterday's vlog, I will combine today, which is Saturday, with tomorrow, which is Sunday. So hopefully you'll get some continuum. And if anything, I can always blab to you all at the Dallas Love Field Airport. So I hope you all are having a nice day and enjoying your weekend. And we'll see what the day brings. So I'm just boiling a little water here in this Bodum kettle. It's really handy that they have that here. Last night I had this, before I went to bed, this Numi chamomile lemon tea. It was actually pretty good. I don't typically like chamomile tea. I find it a little insipid, but this was nice with a hint of lemon, and I sweetened it with a pack of my sweet leaf stevia. So that was quite good. Speaking of stevia, beverage update, these are the Slender Sticks Active Grape flavor that I got on iHerb. They are like, I don't know, only 10 calories, and I don't think they have any, I'm almost certain they have 0 grams of sugar, I'm not sure. So these are really good. I'm trying to get it up. These are really good. The grape flavor. I'm gonna order more on iHerb. I'm gonna order more of the grape, and I saw they had a papaya with fiber. I don't think I'll get that. But they also have a acai, I think it was, lemonade. That sounded really good. And then one other flavor. The grape is really good. I have a soft spot in my heart, though, for grape Kool-Aid. I loved it. As a child, it was like a treat for me to be able to drink grape Kool-Aid. And this is reminiscent of that. But it's not overly sweet. I think it has like some electrolytes sprinkled in. So, yeah, there's that. But really weird angle there. We're like reverse vlogging, but yeah, I've been really, the food has been really good too. I've been trying to capture it for you guys because I enjoy sharing that with you, but they have been really accommodating. They've really had some great vegan options. I swear, I learned this probably 15 years ago from a friend who's a vegetarian at the time, still is actually. She told me, always order the vegetarian option at conferences or weddings. It's usually better. She was so right about that. You know, that chicken they usually have is disgusting. It's usually very rubbery. And my food has been really good. And you know, it's funny because it's good because people around you look at it like, oh, I want what she's having. That looks really good. You kind of feel like you're in a special club. So yeah, the food has been really good and the hotel service has been excellent. I mean, I knew the Four Seasons was good, but you know, sometimes hotels can be really overhyped. And the hospitality here has been superb. It's been really good. And I noticed they have a nice balance of being attentive without overbearing. I find that is a very delicate balance in the hospitality industry, and I admire people in the industry who have a knack for that, knowing when to appear and help you and assist you without suffocating you. Especially someone like me who likes to do things for themselves and doesn't like to ask for help. It is a special skill set to read my mind. But yeah, I'm gonna have this. Ooh, that's good. I went with the cinnamon tulsi one. Very good. I'm gonna have this. Answer some of your comments, hopefully, and go back downstairs to the conference. Try and capture some bits and bobs. a little break, but the coffee is disgusting down there. So I just made the Nespresso Ristretto Fruity Cocoa. It looks good. Let's give it a taste. Hopefully it's not too good, because then I might have to get one of these, and I sort of hate the idea of those pods. No, can't say that that's not Bustelo on the it's just not the Bialetti, you know. It just doesn't do the Bialetti, what the Bialetti does. This does give a nice crema though, which is nice. I'm having a good time, except I just had a very embarrassing thing I did. So embarrassing, but you know what? When you get older, things like this, you just brush off and go, oh well, who cares? I had to go to the bathroom, and I'd been holding it for the last like 10 minutes of the last talk, and as soon as the talk was over, I bolted out to go to the bathroom, because I had a very full bladder from all of this coffee I've been drinking. And I went, the bathroom's like down this hallway, and I just went like straight into the bathroom without looking. I went right into the men's bathroom. Didn't even realize it. And it wasn't like, you know, it was a few people standing around. It was very crowded in the men's bathroom and the women's bathroom and outside, and like multiple people saw me, and I darted back out as soon as I realized what I had done. And people were like, we tried to stop you. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. How funny. Yeah. Pay attention to where you're going, Andrea. Pay attention. Fortunately, everybody was laughing in a lighthearted way. No one was pissed at me for walking in on them. But yeah. This morning we had some great talks on women's health, the menstrual cycle. We had a talk from a gynecologist from San Francisco, and it was very good. And then I noticed that after her talk, she was sitting in the audience, and I was noticing she was knitting during the talks, and I got like the bug that I want to get back into knitting, and then I had to rein myself in. But it's such a great activity to do during a talk or something, because it's just, you know, you can listen and do it versus like reading. You obviously can't read a book and, you know, sit and listen to something. But knitting is so zen. When I was knitting, which was a long time ago, I haven't picked it up in a while, I rather enjoyed it. That's what's going on. What's up? I just came back to my room here. Let's see if I can get somewhere where you guys can actually see me in this kind of odd lighting. I really enjoyed the rest of the conference today, and I just went to the gym and had a nice long run. They have the nicest gym here. It's actually like a fitness center, fitness club. I showed you guys a little bit of it the other day with the racquetball courts, the swimming pool, and the tennis court. But yeah, so did that, and they've got like nice water and stuff like that. And now I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to go. There's a dinner tonight, and then there's supposed to be some kind of social thing where they're showing a movie. They're showing Mamma Mia, and it's supposed to be like a wind down night out, it's called. So I think they're gonna have wine and like snacks and stuff, and show a movie. So we'll see how that goes.
What does he do? Come in and like check the wearing his gear.
Well, hey guys, what's up? I had a really fun time last night at the movie night. It was like, they had cocktails and all this whole like candy buffet. And they showed the movie Mamma Mia Part 2. It was really cute. And they had these adorable little blanket pillows that you could take. And they fold up into this little tote. But it's a blanket. They had pillows and mats. You could lay there and have your cocktail and your snacks. And all this fun blankets. And people came in their PJs. I'm kind of regretting that I didn't bring my little Erin Condren PJs. It would have been cute, but yeah, it was a lot of fun. I don't get to do things like that very often, so it was enjoyable. And I'm just here. I'm just taking advantage of the Wi-Fi in the lobby. And I went to the gym this morning after they had some talks, the final talks this morning, and then I went to the gym, took a shower, and now I'm just here editing the vlog before I leave for the airport. And I just I have these compostable cups in the gym with reusable paper straws, and they also have apples, which I took for a snack, but I just mixed up this blackberry cherry Garden of Life. Here, I'll just show you the top. Garden of Life Sport Energy and Focus thing. Blackberry cherry. It's okay. It's not bad. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. It tastes pretty good. I kind of am enjoying it. I know that was really a vague descriptor. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, it kind of looks like iced tea, right? So it's pretty good. Here, I'll just put that there. It's got, I don't know, like erythritol, blackberry flavor, dark cherry flavor, and like a bunch of coffee berry. I guess it has caffeine in it, and kale leaf. I don't know, like a bunch of pulverized mystery, but it's decent. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna sip on that and edit the vlog, but I just wanted to conclude it here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.